Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will learn how to create a response class for our most played games. Okay, so let's open your Android Studio. Go to app directory. Under Java, select your package name. Then under your package name, as you can see, we have a response directory. Select it. Now, response class will be similar as like of our featured game response class. Okay, there is no anything difference. So you can copy this one. Okay, just select this one, right click, copy this one, keep the cursor on response directory, right click on it, and then paste. Now before pasting it, name to your this lit class as a most played games response. Okay, most played games response. Now press ok. Now our response class has been ready, but there is a something we need. As you can see, we have a different list for a featured game list and a most played games list. But the class for response we have created, it is using the featured game list. So we have to convert or remove this one and use our most played game list. Okay. So how you can do that? Just simply select it and type this class name, most played game list. Okay. Now also make the changes here. Okay. Now also make the changes here. If you do not want to make changes here, just simply remove this one. Then press Alt plus Insert key and select Getter. Then select this value and press OK. Now it is done. You not need to create it manually. As you can see, our response class has been ready. There is no issue. If you feel any issue or uncomfortable with the code, feel free to contact me. And this video has been completed, and I will meet you in the next video.